Mark Reedy here. In this video, I'm going to go over the unit information reports, and the basic report in this is something that some of the DOTs are requiring. They want to see this information on just a single sheet of paper. So I'll show you that one first. And if we go up here to reports, and we go to current equipment reports, and we go to unit information report. Choose that one. Okay, so this report shows you some of the information from the equipment summary screen, like the equipment number, description, make, model, year, type of equipment, leased or owned, that sort of thing. It also gives you the tire size information from the tire tab. It also gives you the type of equipment that it's equipped with, whether it's got lift axle, 2-axle truck pulls trailer, 2-axle truck pulls fifth wheel. This was one of the things that one of the DOTs was asking one of our clients for, and so we've added that. That was a couple years ago we added that in there. And you can see the current odometer readings, the date, if it has an hours meter, the current hours meter, the current hours date, and renewal information as far as the license and so forth. Now, page 2 of this report, if you have a picture attached, or if you've attached a picture of the equipment, it'll show up here on this next page. All right, so let me show you that real quick. Hang on a second here. Up here under equipment picture. Okay, so I grabbed an equipment picture here. It's got to be a bitmap file, so it's a .bmp. So if you've got pictures, you need to save them as a BMP in order for TATEMS to be able to pull it in. And you want to use these dimensions here for it to show up properly without being cropped or cut. So I'll close that, and we'll go back up to the unit information report. The computer's running super slow right now for some reason. So let's go here. And so now we'll look at the second page here. And so you can see we've got the picture inside the page, the second page. All right, so that is the basic unit information report. So you get to it by clicking on reports, current equipment reports, and then just the unit information report. Now the next one is the unit information report with all equipment data. So this report is going to show you all of the data that's been captured for this piece of equipment over the date range that you specify. So that means lube services, inspections, repairs completed, work orders, fuel, everything, pretty much everything, notes that have been completed during that time frame. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to go back. This is an older database, so I'm going to go back to 2013 for that. And we'll just go through 2014. And we're going to click OK here. Okay, so you can see this prints out the same unit information page on the first page, except for it's in landscape format now instead of in portrait format. So you can see we've got page 1 of 72 here. And then down here you can see, you can go through each of the page numbers just by clicking on this single right arrow. If you want to go to the very end of the report, you would choose the right arrow with a line next to it. So now we can see we've got the lube services listed there. And then we can continue. We can see work orders, and it's just going to give us basically one page per work order. So it's just going to reprint all the work orders in a little different format than when you normally print a work order out. We'll just scroll through this. So we have about 50 pages of work orders or so. And then we're going to go and we see the inspections and permits that were completed during that time frame. We can see the filters listed for that equipment. So this is not time frame sensitive, so it's just going to show you the filters. And then we have the fuel log entries that have been captured during that time period. And okay, that's it for this one on this particular time period. Okay, yeah, I'm not seeing any repairs completed during that time frame. All right, so so that's basically what that does. And then if you go to reports, all equipment reports, this will allow you to choose those same reports for multiple pieces of equipment. So if we choose the unit information report with all equipment data, now we can choose individual pieces of equipment or the whole fleet. And then you can print out basically your unit information reports for the whole fleet right here all at once. And then the other one is the unit information report with all equipment data right here. It's under current reports, all equipment reports. And here you choose a date range like I did on the previous one where you grab all the data. And so it's going to be the same report as the one for the current equipment, but this is pick and choose or choose your whole fleet and print out basically all the data captured for your entire fleet for any specific date range. Now, if you're looking for just a reprint of certain parts of the information that you wanted to capture, like say you just wanted to get the work orders, the only way you can be able to do that is to let's just go up here and grab this one, and we're going to go back to 2013 and go back here to 2014, and we'll just do it like that. So we're going to choose this one piece of equipment, this trailer here. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go and to the... Okay, so we can see here that we've got some repairs showing up on this one. We also have parts for this equipment. And then we got the work orders. All right, so if you wanted to just print out all the work orders for this date range, basically a reprint of each of those work orders, you can see down here you've got number 5, so that is page 5, and then you can find the last page that the work orders were on. Okay, so page 61. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go here to the printer dialog, and you're going to choose pages from 5 to 61. And that would allow you to reprint all of the work orders for that piece of equipment. You'd have to do that one at a time for each piece of equipment if you just wanted to reprint work orders. All right, so hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Take care.